Hi everyone, if you are new here, welcome to 4C Crown of Glory. My name is Desha and I am so happy that you are here. Today I have a wig unboxing to do from Amazon. Also, I'm going to be trying out the wig grip and I'll be showing you all how I install my wigs. As you know, this channel is about hair growth and healthy hair. So one thing that you're not going to see me do is pulling on my edges with the wig glue or anything like that. I am a beginner at this. I'm not a hair expert, a wig expert, or guru. I am a beginner like probably most of you. So I'm gonna see if it's gonna be easy for me to install it on myself or if I'm gonna have an issue. As you can tell from the channel, I am on a hair growth journey. So I do have my hair braided up in a protective style and I'll be throwing on this wig, honey, depending on how it looks. Hopefully I like it. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting with the unboxing, here is the wig, straight from the package. This wig is by Hosea here. Love your hair, show your beauty. I love the bag that it comes in, it's so cute. I love pink, if you can't tell by my channel. So opening it up, here's the wig. Wow, look at this. It comes with a set of eyelashes. That's really cool. Lately, I've been trying the whole magnet eyelash thing only because it's so convenient and so easy and it doesn't pull out my eyelashes. So cool. That was very thoughtful of them. It would have been nice if this was a little mirror, you know? But it's a nice gesture anyways. And just to let you know, I paid for all of this with my own money. I'm not being sponsored by anyone. This is gonna be my real non-biased review. They also included a wig cap. But today, I will not be using a wig cap. As I told you all, I'm gonna use a wig grip. And this is the straight 24-inch wig. It looks really long. Kind of has that, I guess, wig smell. I don't know. Usually when I buy hair or a wig, I make sure that I wash it before I use it. However, I'm going out tonight and I don't have time to wash and rinse this hair. So I'll be putting it on and maybe I'll get a chance later on to wash it. But as you can see, this is the lace. And this is my real skin. Not bad, right? And this is the hair. The hair is nice and soft. And it also comes with little baby hairs as well. Turning it inside out, it comes with some combs and it is also adjustable with these straps here. I'm gonna be leaving the description for the wig in the description box below. Like I said, my hair is in protective braids and I'm gonna fit this on and try to align it to my hairline and around my ears. So the lace is extra long. I guess this is the middle right here. I'm just gonna align it to where my hairline is. And I have some alligator clips. I told you all that I was gonna invest and buy some alligator clips. Here they are. So I'm just gonna feel around my ear so that I know where to cut. Guys, I'm new at this. This is my first time doing this. So please bear with me. And I hope I don't mess this thing up. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. All right, I'm just gonna start cutting here. Gosh. Oh no. I'm just cutting around my ear carefully. Careful because I don't want to cut this either. So there goes my ear. That's what I cut off from that side. This wig is making me hot. And then I'm gonna do the same for this side. Feel for my ear and go around it. I'm also trying to be careful not to cut the adjustable strap, so please be mindful of that. Okay, so both sides are cut. I think I made a boo-boo right here. I think I cut too much hair off. I can't, I'm not with this whole wig thing, okay? But we'll see if I can fix it. Now I'm gonna take it off and cut the perimeter of the hairline. First, I'm gonna cut the back lace off. Although I'm not gonna be wearing my hair up or anything, but I'll just cut it off because it's extra material that I don't need. I was watching some YouTube videos and they said instead of cutting it just straight, you should cut in like a zigzag fashion. So I'm gonna do that. So this is the hairline. I'm going to cut in a zigzag fashion. I'm trying to cut as close as I can to the natural hairline of the wig. And then once I put it on, I'll see if I need to cut anything else. So this is the front lace part that I just cut off. Before I put it on my head, I'm gonna try it on the wig grip. I got this from Amazon as well. It says it makes the wig look better and feel better. It says it keeps the wig from slipping. I'll leave the link in the description to this in the description box below. I think this is in light brown. I always do center parts. So this lace part will be at the center of my head. It comes with Velcro. And I'm just gonna place it just like that. The wig seems to be a little large fit for my head, so I'm gonna use the adjustable straps and adjust the tightness of it. So I'm just going to pull the adjustable strap and push it into, it comes with loops here that you just insert it into. And here you can see that it pulls. And let's see if it's more snug on my head. It's still on the larger side for my head, but the wig grip is holding it on, honey. I'm pulling and tugging. Obviously, the front part is lifting up because I am not going to glue that down, but let's see. It's still there. It did not come off. The wig grip still holds it on. And keep in mind that the edges are not even glued down, and I'm not going to glue them down. And it sticks on. Snatch witch wig boo. I'm silly, guys. All right, so I'm just gonna put the hair up because my back is sweating. These are my edges after I cut it. Now I'm gonna see if I can cut it a little bit more precisely while it's on my head. And use that same zigzag motion. I'm just cutting off the extra lace that I don't need. So this is it, not glued down or anything. What I am gonna do, I'm gonna see if I can make some baby hairs and use some, got to be glued and just do my baby hairs. But yeah, let me try and do that and see how it comes out. It's time for me to cut the baby hairs. I'm so nervous about this because I have no idea what I'm doing and I do not want to mess it up, but I gotta do it because I don't think it looks right like this, right? I cannot find my rat tail comb, so I don't know. I'm just gonna do section off a little bit of hair and just hope for the best. I don't need y'all professional wig installers to be screaming at me virtually through the screen. I'm just trying to look decent while protecting my natural hair, guys. So I just have a thin layer of hair that I'm going to snip away. I don't know how much I'm supposed to cut off, but let's go above the eyebrow and just hope for the best. All right, so I really need my rat tail comb so that I can part this the way that I want to part it. Let me try and find the middle. It's hard to part this without a rat tail comb. So this is as good as I'm gonna get with a regular comb. As you can see, it's laced all the way up to here. I believe it's up to 6 inches of lace, and then you have the tracks here going down. I'm just going to hot comb that down. So I try to flatten the middle part as much as I could. What I'm gonna do is do my baby hairs, tie it down, and then I'm gonna flatten my hair, and I'll be back with you guys once I'm done. So my edges are done. I have this on, gonna let it sit for about 15 minutes. Gonna grab a bite. I don't think my edges came out properly, like at all, but it's wearable. I'll show you guys when I'm done, okay? All right, so this is the finished product. Guys, like I said, I am not a wig expert. I am not a hairdresser. This is my first time even installing a wig on my head. So, like I said, it's glueless, no glue, because we need our edges all 2020 and beyond. So what I did use for my edges though was some Got To Be glued. I usually use the yellow bottle, but I don't know where my yellow bottle is, but I used this to slick down my edges. I tied them down. And I cut this side a little better than this side. I don't even think I cut that side properly, but I just slicked my edges down. I tied on a hair tie. I used a hot comb to try and get this part as flat as possible. I tried, guys, I really did. And then I used my flat iron to just straighten the hair. So that was it. Like I said, this is glueless. I can just take this off tonight before I go to my bed, put it on my little wig stand, and pop it right back on in the morning whenever I need it. Let me show you how long the wig looks on me. I'm a shorty, so it's probably gonna seem very, very long, but from the front, sorry, let me pull up my pants over my mommy pouch. So from the front, it is past my navel, and then from the back, you see it's past my tailbone. And like I said, this is 24 inches straight from Amazon. I'm gonna leave a link to everything down in the description below, like I said previously. And this is it. This is the wig, my Amazon wig. Not gonna break the bank. I know I was looking at some wigs for like $300, $400, and that was not in my budget. I think it will last me for a long time. And I know other girls, they do like the pre-plucking and stuff like that. I would rather bring my wig to like a hairdresser or someone who does wigs and have them do that for me. I don't want to mess this up. And this looks decent enough for me to wear over my protective braids. And all in all, this is about hair growth underneath all of this, honey. So that's what it's about. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that post notification bell. I want you all to stay blessed. More hair and more love to you all. I will see you all next video. Bye.